Welcome to the wonderful world of wonders. I'm gonna unbox this. I'm already aware of something I'm not too happy about. It rhymes with Jolteon's bent. Already, it's brand new. Do you like my rhyme? I'm gonna go for that one first, just to get that out of the way. Look at all the packs it comes with. Ooh, might be a Mewtwo. How do you open this? What in the world? Yeah, no wonder it got bent. Just shove it in there. See, look at that. How dare they? Brand new. Brand new. It looks like that. It's not bent super bad though. I just need to... Oops. Next up we have my favorite, which looks like he or she is in pretty good condition. A little bent as well, but nowhere near as bad as Jolteon. Vaporeon. Flareon. And my favorite, so cute, so cute. Actually, I do really love Umbreon too, though. Your evolved form is so mysterious. And I'll be honest, I'm old school, so I kind of forgot that one even existed. And not my favorite, but still cute in its own respect. Espio. Another one I sort of forgot about. But really pretty though. Kind of looking forward to getting that in the game now. But yeah, that's pretty sweet. I'm not gonna... Hold on. I am not gonna open all these packs, but holy crap. I really just got it for the EEVEE and Evolutions, but my gosh, that's a lot of cards. Most I've ever got at one time. Anyway, pretty cool.